If I'm gonna be in jail, I might as well not play the little game according to your guys' rules.
Sir, in the Nisqually Jail, good afternoon. What is your name, please?
Matthew Thorne.
Sir, you are Matthew James Thorne.
Yes.
Your date of birth is June 1986.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Thorne, you are before the court for a fourth pretrial conference in your case. It appears that you were last scheduled to be before the court on June 13th, 2024, at which time the docket indicates you failed to appear and a warrant was issued for your arrest. This is your first appearance since the service of that warrant. Ms. Arnold, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Thorne's pretrial conference at this time?
Yes, Your Honor, I just want to confirm with the defendant quickly that he was able to go over the SOC with Mr. Reardon over the phone.
Yes.
Okay. And you have no questions about that?
I mean.
If you have any questions, we can go in a breakout room and you can ask me. I just want to make sure that everything was gone over with you prior to going on the record.
I don't agree with any of this, but I don't really feel like it matters. I'm just trying to get it done in the least way possible.
Mr. Thorne, so I have to state that anything that you say can and will be used against you at trial later on if that's what you decided to do. So if you have any questions or concerns or anything, that we could go into a breakout room, okay? So I think going in a breakout room would be appropriate, Your Honor.
Questions? I just want to get out of jail. So it don't really matter.
Thorne, if we could please go in a breakout room.
Of course. Mr. Thorne, you're going to be receiving on the screen there in front of you an invitation to go into a breakout room so that you can speak privately with Ms. Arnold. Please accept that. After the two of you have completed your conversation, we can proceed with this case.
They won't let me click in it.
Having trouble figuring out how to get in there. Officer, we're trying to put Mr. Thorne in a breakout room if possible.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna plan to stay in jail for a while then.
Mr. Thorne, everything that you state can be used against you at trial. So please refrain from stating anything on the.
It goes to will, man, and I know that. But you know that too. Ever since the day one.
Thorne, please.
No. You guys are just gonna keep me in jail? For what?
Mr. Thorne, please.
Madam Clerk, the city is this still being recorded? The city's requesting. Oh, is it possible for the city to obtain a copy of what was just said? Okay, thank you. And given the defendant's statements, the city is asking that we go back on the record. Even the city won't make any statements, but I would like to have a clear and accurate recording if anything else is said before the judge comes back. We could go back on the record so this can be recorded.
I want to know why the police didn't get my witness statements. So this is all a joke. You guys aren't here for my interest. No one's here to help me. It's a lie.
Mr. Thorne, please stop stating anything on the record.
You guys are ruining people's lives. For nothing.
Mr. Thorne.
I ain't got shit else good to say. I'm not gonna sit here and say what you want me to say. I can't speak my
Not
mind.
asking you to, oh my God, the judge is back.
And that was bullshit.
Mr. Thorne, please refrain from stating anything else on the record.
Yeah, for my best interest. Sure,
Yes, for your best interest.
of course. I trust you because I trusted everybody else in this whole situation too.
Mr. Thorne, I understand that you're frustrated and you need to calm down because this isn't great, okay? Please
don't
stop
respect
saying
you.
anything on the record.
I just don't respect you. That's all.
That's fine, but please protect yourself.
Ms. Arnold, we are back on the record in City of Lakewood versus Matthew James Thorne, 23L000420. Prior to the recess, there was some discussion about a stipulated order of continuance. I now have before me a motion to continue the pretrial conference. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. So it was my understanding that it was going to be a motion to continue, but after speaking with the defendant, I think it is best to continue this case until Monday to allow some time for the defendant to think about this offer.
Okay, that's fair.
I
Mr.
don't have nothing to
Vincent,
think about.
any objection to continuing this matter to Monday at, looks like
Yes,
Monday at
please.
1
I
p.m.
object.
And
I object.
we're maintaining the bell.
You're not gonna keep me in jail an extra 5 days just to make me think, oh, okay. No.
Mr. Thorne, I'm gonna need you to try and control yourself so that I can hear from the attorneys, okay?
They're both liars.
Mr. Vincent, what is the city's recommendation?
The city's recommendation that bell be maintained and this could be set over to Monday.
And Ms. Arnold, do you want to be heard on that?
No, Your Honor, that's an agreement.
All right. So we will go ahead and maintain pretrial conditions of release in this matter, and we will set this case over to a new pretrial conference on Monday at 1 p.m. Mr. Thorne, thank you. You can go ahead and let the officer know that your hearing is done. We'll see you on Monday.
Okay, I don't agree. I don't want her to be here on Monday. I want a different lawyer. If I'm gonna be in jail, I might as well not play the little game according to your guys' rules. You're not gonna fuck me and make me say thank you for it. And get these bitch ass motherfuckers off the screen now. They want to go talk to someone else and lie to someone else.
Your Honor, can defense request a brief recess?
No, we don't need no recess. Fuck you, bitch. Get off the case. That's what we requested now.
Yeah, go ahead and mute the jail. Yes, Ms. Arnold, we can absolutely take a brief recess. Just let me know when you're ready to resume.
Thank you.